Good evening, everyone. This is Kabilan from Krishna. Once again, let us discuss about the post-market analysis. Today, the Nifty opened negatively around 50 points gap down, and there was a little sideways movement, and then there was an up move, solid up move till 150, and then again the market went on into sideways mode, and then the bears took control, and the market went down and closed around 17,070 levels. So overall, the Nifty closed in a negative way at minus 75 points. When it comes to the sector-wise details of the Nifty 50, today FMCG and telecommunications were entered in a positive note. Yesterday, these two sectors was in negative. Once again, the financial services and oil and gas and IT were in the downside. Initially, the market, the first half of the session, the market went up, and the second half, the bears took control, and the market came down. So when it comes to FIA and DIA data, compared to yesterday, FIA today sold around 1,000 crores. They were the net sellers today. DIA, they were net buyers again with 1,700 crores. When it comes to the sectorial indexes, today the Bank Nifty, FinTech services, IT and media and PSU banks, everything were on the downside. A few sectors were on the positive side, but with very little up movement on that, considerably like auto, FMCG and metals and pharma. Let's look at the technical analysis for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. So yesterday we have mentioned that this particular candle could be a spinning top and there could be a negative side today. Similarly, the market gap down and the market behaved in a similar fashion. This acted as a spinning top. Today on the day chart, we could see an inverted hammer candle, which could be a positive sign if the Nifty breaks and moves above 117,125 levels. We will see the intraday levels in a few minutes. For the last one week, we saw a huge number of red candles and there was a huge sideways movement for the past 7 days. Considerably between 16,850 and 17,200 levels, there was a huge consolidation mode. This is very tight when it comes to the market proceedings. If there is a breakdown or breakup, the market could potentially move in a trending way. There could be a big momentum when it crosses both these ranges. So let's check at the intraday levels. All these levels we say, yesterday the market was a very tight situation, just between 50 points. Today it gapped down, and we mentioned that this particular level, 17,050 level or 17,000 level, could act as a major support region. But today we can see that 17,050 acts as a major support, and there is a big up move. And as per yesterday's predictions, probabilities, two targets, in fact 3 targets were achieved on the upper side. And once again in the 17,150 to 200 levels, the market got resisted and there was a huge downtrend, which again captured our 3 targets, considerably 17,150, 125, 17,100 and 17,050. So for tomorrow, the key resistance and support levels would be 17,050 levels and 17,125 levels. These two levels would be very critical. If the market gaps up and takes a support in 17,125, we can expect an upward move till 17,150 and 17,200. Here the market may consolidate a bit, and if there is a momentum on the upside, it could go till 17,250 levels. On the downside, for tomorrow, 17,050 would act as a major support level, and then 17,000 level. If these two are broken, we can see a downfall till 16,950 and then 16,900 levels. These were the key critical levels and targets which we can expect the Nifty to achieve tomorrow. Once again, reiterating the most important levels 17,050 and 17,125 would be the most critical levels, whether the market would go up or go down. These two might act as a very critical area, or else once again we can expect the market to be in a sideways momentum where we can play on both the sides. Coming to Bank Nifty, once again similar to Nifty, Bank Nifty also formed a similar kind of inverted hammer triangle. So there could be still the market is on a sideways momentum. There is not yet breakdown on upper or lower side. When it comes to intraday levels, yesterday we mentioned that if this particular level could act as a major support for today. So it got broke down, and again the market consolidated, and moved up, and our next first target levels of 40,100 was achieved. And then we mentioned that 40,250 could be a major resistance level, but before 50 points itself, the market got rejected at some 40,200 levels itself, and there was a big down move in the Bank Nifty. So on both the sides, our critical levels were on upper side also. We our prediction, we got 2 targets achieved, and on the downside we achieved the 3 targets. So the most critical levels for tomorrow and with respect to Bank Nifty is once again this particular level, 39,580 level could act as a major support, and the 39,900 could act as a major resistance. If these two levels are broken up or broken down, we can expect the market to move in a good momentum. The price could either fall greatly or move up greatly. But on the upper side, there is a huge resistance level at 40,250. So the market may consolidate here. Probably we can stop our trading positions at here. But on the downside, we can expect the target to move till 39,380, and then if it's broken down again, we can expect it to reach 39,200 levels, which could act as a major support, and final support could be at 39,960 levels. This is with respect to Bank Nifty's tomorrow's levels. So let's check the Fin Nifty. So similar to Nifty and Bank Nifty, the Fin Nifty also formed an inverted hammer kind of triangle. Yesterday, Fin Nifty formed a doji at the top, which could be mentioned as yesterday mentioned, it could act as a spinning top. Similarly, the market gapped down and went down a bit, and then moved up, and again the bears took control and moved the market down. Let's check the intraday levels for Fin Nifty. As mentioned yesterday, 17,725 levels acted as a major support region, and we mentioned these two levels, and the upper side, 17,890, 900 could act as a major resistance, but since here it took support here, our targets were achieved, and then it gave an extra momentum until 17,960 levels. Here the market got rejected, and we can see a huge downfall till 17,725 levels for today's. So what we can expect tomorrow is, if the market once again opens up it flat, these two levels 17,725 and 17,890, 900 levels could act as a major key critical levels for as a resistance and support. If these two levels are broken, we can see a big price movement, and we can capture the trades accordingly. On the upper side, if this particular level 17,900 is broken, we can expect the market to go till 17,960 and then till 18,070 levels. On the downside, if this 17,725 is broken, there is a good support at 17,650 levels and a major support at 17,500 levels. If this particular level 17,500 is broken in Fin Nifty, we can see a big downfall movement, in the positional overview. So these are the major critical areas which we can expect tomorrow on the Nifty. Let's see how the market behaves tomorrow. If you want to join our classes, courses, there are multiple courses and classes available with Money Krishna Education. You can contact our description below. We would be contacting you and helping you out in joining any classes or courses or any trainings. So once again, we will meet tomorrow at the pre-market report. Good evening and thank you.